Hey friends, Joshua D'Ambrosio here with the JW Homes team. We're in a beautiful, fully renovated kitchen at 3170 Sykesville Rd. Absolutely stunning place, completely renovated, 5 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, almost 3,500 square feet of beautiful living. We have Route 140, Route 97, Route 32. Take you anywhere you need to go. We're very excited for this opportunity for you to come out and see this amazing property sitting on almost a half an acre of land. It's absolutely gorgeous, absolutely stunning, and we cannot wait for you to come and see it.